video, I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how to cut this square neckline Victorian corset with asymmetric hemline, and to also join our 5 days corset class where we'll be teaching you how to draft different types of corsets, and also our bustier class, which is just going for 1,500 naira, and this is for the early registration. To join, go ahead to send us a message on our WhatsApp number. To start, I've gone ahead to mark out my basic measurement for this pattern, which includes my shoulder to bust, shoulder to under bust, shoulder to waistline, and I added 5 inches for my blouse length. After this, I'll go ahead to mark my shoulder divided by 2. My shoulder is 14 divided by 2, I have 7 inches. I'll come down by 1 inch here, and I'll go ahead to draw out a shoulder slant. After drawing that out, I'm going to mark my chest line. To get that is your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. I'll go ahead to place what I have on the shoulder back, and I'll go ahead to draw out a straight line. After this, I'm going to divide what I have here into 2 and I'll fold. I'll come in by ½ inch, go ahead to mark my bust circumference divided by 4, and I will connect to that ½ inch at the armhole and to the upper part of the shoulder. Now, I'll just go ahead to use my marker to outline. So the next step is I will mark my nipple to nipple divided by 2. Now, my nipple to nipple is 7 inches divided by 2. I have 3.5 inches. I'll place my ruler and I would go ahead to draw out a straight line on this point. Now, I'll go ahead to start marking my dart intake, which I'll be marking 1 inch on both sides. So now, if you're a plus size, go ahead to mark 1.5 inches on both sides of your pattern and go ahead to connect. After you're done connecting, I'm going to mark my neckline of 3 inches, divide the rest of my shoulder into 2, and I'll place my ruler and connect. Now, I'll be marking a dart intake of ½ inch on both sides, making it a 1 inch dart on my shoulder, and I'll go ahead to connect at both sides. After this, I'll go ahead to outline it with my marker to make it more visible for you to see. From my bust, I'll connect to the under bust and also connect to the other side of my under bust. So now, after I'm done connecting, I'll go in with my marker and I will outline this. The next step I'll take is to insert my measurement. I'll mark my bust circumference divided by 4, measure this dart I have here and replace. I'll mark my under bust circumference divided by 4, measure the dart intake, and I will replace. Here, I'm going to take out few inches from my waist. This is 20